Good morning. Today is Tuesday, and I'm going to read for you guys the attractive truth about magnetism. So, welcome to video one, the read aloud. So, I'm going to share my screen so that you can see the text along with me. The attractive truth about magnetism. We're going to be reading pages 4 through, I think I'm going to go to 7, so that, I'm sorry, 4 through 8. And we're going to be using this text to answer some of the text-dependent questions from yesterday. The attractive truth about magnetism. And just to let you know, I will probably not be reading all of the blurbs on the side because there are quite a few of them. I might read some. And this text was written by Jennifer Swanson. All right, page 2. Title. You have the power to push or pull objects without touching them. Your superpower even works through walls or water. All you need is courage and a really strong magnet. Okay, so you don't really have a superpower, but you do have super cool magnets that can do these things. Magnets use a force called magnetism. This invisible force allows magnets to attract or repel objects, just like a superhero. Magnets are all around. They're in your TV and computer. You probably have one on the refrigerator to hold up your latest art project. Magnetism is a power people use every day. Without it, TVs and cell phones wouldn't work. Even cars wouldn't go. Let's investigate this fundamental force to see just how it works. Chapter 1, Feel the Force. When you put two magnets near each other, you can feel a push or pull. The movement you feel is caused by a magnetic field. A magnetic field is an invisible area around an object. This field exerts, and exerts means to push out, to use energy. This field exerts a magnetic force that attracts or repels other objects. Magnetic fields look like curved lines around an object. The metal objects are most sensitive to magnetic fields. Any metal object that comes into a magnetic field will be attracted to or repelled by the magnet. Magnetic fields are everywhere. In fact, even Earth acts as a very strong magnet. Deep in Earth's core, magnetism is created. The inner core is made of solid iron. That's the inside. The outer core is made of liquid iron and nickel. That's the outer core. As the liquid iron moves around the solid iron, it creates an electric current. This electric current causes a magnetic field to form around the planet. I'm going to read that again. This electronic current causes a magnetic field to form around the planet. So, Earth is one giant magnet. The word exert means to make an effort to do something. The word current is the flow of the electrons. Yes, page 8. Okay. Polar opposites. Every magnet has two parts, a north pole and a south pole. These poles are at opposite ends of a magnet. It's these opposite parts that determine if magnets attract or repel. Bring the north pole of a magnet toward the south pole of another magnet. The two will pull together almost immediately. But if you bring their north poles together, they push apart. This crazy push and pull is the magnetic force. So this is the end of our text. And video 2 will be us going over how to answer the text-dependent questions using the text.